Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a theme within FlexClip. So just head over to flexclip.com and simply click the login in the top right hand side. Let me go ahead and log into my account by choosing my Gmail. Here, now once you're inside the dashboard guys, you will see on the lower left hand side this icon or button here that says create a theme. And in order to create a theme, all you have to do is just click it, give your theme a name. So let me just call this my theme, and then just click confirm. And your theme is now successfully created. All you have to do is just click confirm, and then you will have the theme created. Now, once the theme is created, you will be logged in by default, and all you have to do now, if you want to toggle between your main account or the theme, is just switch between the two. So now I am back to my main account, and in order to switch to the theme, I have to basically click on the theme in order to basically, let's say, select that option, right? And in order to add people to the theme, all you have to do is just make sure that the theme is selected. Then you'll have the option to invite members, and then you can easily click on this button and basically fill their email and share them the link, or basically send the email invitation to them. And that's all there is to it guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.